Ladies, write this down because today I'm revealing the Gelatin plus 3 ingredient recipe that's not only simple, it's the $2 natural Manjaro that could transform your body. This was me before, tired and bloated at my heaviest weight. And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone, and best of all, I did it right from my own home. I didn't want another diet or trick. I wanted something simple without having to give up my favorite foods or live at the gym. This morning, Gelatin plus 3 ingredient recipe was accidentally shown on NBC and Fox. It was a short clip explaining a gelatin mix top celebs use to melt stubborn belly fat. It's natural, effective, and takes less than a minute to make. It's even done before my coffee finishes brewing. I quickly noticed better sleep, waking up full of energy, and at my checkup, my blood pressure looked better than it was in my teens. My doctor said, "This is incredible. Keep doing whatever you are doing." When something so simple and effective helps women without a prescription, Big Pharma isn't thrilled, which is exactly why the video keeps getting taken down. If you are seeing this, you're in luck because it's still up. I saved the short video below that shows exact measurements and step-by-step instructions. Just tap the Learn More button below and watch it now before they take it down for good.